In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Notion forms. If you want a simple way to collect responses directly inside Notion, forms are a great option. They're useful for things like feedback, requests, sign-ups, or any situation where you need people to submit information in a clean, organized format. The setup is straightforward, and once you know where to click, you can build a form in just a few minutes. To get started, open any Notion page where you want the form to live. In a blank space on that page, type /form and press enter. You can also scroll to the bottom of the page and click form from there. Both methods take you to the same place, so just use whichever feels faster for you. Once the form block appears, Notion will ask you to choose the layout style. You can select an inline form which sits alongside the other content on your page, or a full page form, which takes over the entire page and gives the form a more dedicated, focused look. Inline is useful if the form is part of a larger document, while full page works well if the form itself is the main destination. Choose the option that best fits how you want people to interact with it. After that, click the title area to give your form a clear name. Try to make it specific so people immediately understand what the form is for. Then add a description underneath. This is a good place to explain what information you need, why you are collecting it, or any instructions the person filling out the form should know before they begin. A short, helpful description can make the form feel much easier to complete. Next, start adding questions by clicking the plus icon. For each question, choose the appropriate data type from the question settings. For example, you might use plain text when you want a written answer, multiple choice when you want people to pick from set options, or file upload if you need documents or images submitted. Picking the right question type is important because it makes the form easier for respondents and keeps the answers more organized for you inside Notion. Once your form is ready, go to the top right and click Share Form. From there, configure the access settings based on who should be allowed to open it. Then copy the link so you can send it to anyone who needs access. And that's it. You've created a Notion form, customized its structure, and shared it with others. If you keep the title clear, the description helpful, and the questions simple, your form will be much easier for people to complete successfully.